How to create a Google Ads search campaign. First, you will need to create a Google Ads account. Connect to ads.google.com to set up your account. You can choose to create an account for marketing experts so you can access all the options in the platform. You will be asked to enter your billing options, your payment method also, your preferences like the language for the platform, and you can also link accounts like, for example, Google Analytics to understand and to obtain more data about the user's behavior. But the most important thing to track on your website and implement in your Google Ads account are conversions. Conversions are events that are important for you to measure, to track and measure, to understand if your ad campaigns are obtaining good results and you are reaching your goals. It is also important to measure the return on investment. Sometimes conversions are hard to implement in the website. It's somehow technical, but you can always ask to the webmaster, for example, to help you implement those scripts or conversion tracking. Before sharing with you my screen to create your first Google Ads search campaign, let's have a look at the campaign structure. There are different levels in Google Ads. Each level has its corresponding setup options. At an account level, we can modify billing data, company data, preferences. At a campaign level, we can edit the daily budget, the bid strategy, the language, the geographical location. At an ad group level, we select the keywords, and at an ads level, we can create the copy, the title descriptions, and add the ad extensions to add value to our ads. This is Google Ads platform from the inside, the back office. And here I will use a test account. From my own account, I can manage different ad accounts because I have manager accounts. And from this platform, I have access to all the tools and settings, to all the campaigns, to create and optimize them, and to a lot of options, as you can see. So now we will create a new campaign. First, they recommend us to choose our objective. In this case, I will create a campaign without a goals guidance because if I choose, for example, sales or leads, Google will recommend me to advertise in different networks. For example, in search networks, but also display, video, apps, and I don't want that for this course. I just want to show you how the search campaign works. So I will create a campaign without any guidance, and here I can choose my campaign type, in this case, search. I already have some conversions registered, so I will continue. I put a name, test campaign, very original, as you can see. Okay, add a draft, start new. Okay, so from now we can define our budget and bidding options. Budget, I will set an average daily budget of, for example, 10 euros. Advertiser commonly use 15, okay, great for them. Then bidding options, as I already have conversions registered in the platform, they recommend me to use this one, or conversions value. But here I will choose clicks. I want to focus on getting the maximum number of clicks in my website websites, so it's a web traffic goal. Okay, I can set a maximum cost per click bill limit if I don't want this cost to be too high. I don't know, maybe, okay. Okay, more settings. No, for now it's okay. Then I will choose my campaign settings. Okay, so networks. I only want to appear in the search network. I don't want to appear in the display network. If I want to do a display campaign, in my case, I prefer to do it separately. Locations. Okay, so we can choose here France, or we can enter another location. If you want, for example, to advertise in a city, here you can choose radius, and for example, Barcelona, 20 kilometers. Oh. Okay, and here Barcelona target. Okay. Then I have to save my choice, and it's okay. Next, I have to set the languages. So English is okay. I will also put Catalan and Spanish. Okay, I can choose an audience segment or set dynamic search ads. No, in this case, I will follow the settings. Okay, just a word about keywords. If you have no idea what are the keywords your users are searching for on Google, you can use the tool Google Keyword Planner. It's also important to know that when we define the keywords, we can use different matches, the broad match or the phrase match. It means a more generic match with my keyword or a phrase match that is more specific. Also, you will see that the keyword generator will suggest us some keyword ideas if we provide a website or if we provide some keywords. Negative keywords help you to define for which searches you do not want to appear. For example, if you are selling a product or a service and users are searching for free products or free services, you may want to put free as a negative keyword. So when a user puts free in his search terms, your ad does not appear. Okay, so here, as you can see, we can get keyword suggestions if you enter some product or services. Let's imagine we are advertising a logo design service that is not free. Get keywords. Okay, so here we have some suggestions. Not all suggestions are interesting for us. So maybe free, as you can see, is not interesting. No. Online, no. Log online, free 3D. Okay, we will keep brand logo, custom, free, no. Free will be definitely a negative keyword here. Logo design, logo maker, oops. Builder, design maker, brand logo. Okay. or best logo designer. I should do this in Spanish, but I guess it's okay for the practice to do that in English. Best logo designer, Barcelona, for example. Okay. So now that we have defined some keywords, as you can see, all are broad matches. If I do that, I will be doing a phrase match that is also interesting. Here you can also choose an exact match, but maybe it's too specific. Okay, so you can play with the matches and see then after a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks which keywords are working the best. So here we can create our ads. The most common type of ads in search is search responsive ads, this one. What does that mean? That means that you can here put your URL. For example, I will put mine. Okay. Display some path, in this case, no. You will enter here a lot of headlines and 4 descriptions, and Google will make some combinations here and check what combinations are working best. So you just have to put here different headlines, sometimes based on your keywords. Logo design in Barcelona. Get your new logo. Brand logo experts. Make your custom logo. Okay, what else? You see here my ad strength is poor, so I'm gonna improve a little bit my ads. Logo builder. Okay, so you can also put here the name of the company. Best logos. It's totally random, okay? Best logos. Okay. Okay, so for now I see that I have an average ad strength, so it's great. I'm happy. I just have to put here some descriptions. Call us now and get a new custom logo to represent the essence of your brand. We can put maybe some price, I don't know. Experts in branding. Unique and thick logos. colors now. Okay, so done and next. As you can see, you had a preview of your ad. You could check the preview. Now we can add extensions. I will don't do this here because I can enter directly to the extension sections and create all the extension there. I can add more information, images extensions also that are quite new. So it's okay. Next. Now I can review and double check all the details of the campaign before I publish. Here I can see some estimation based on our keywords and daily budget. We have an average cost per click at 0.42, so it's okay. We may reach 24 clicks per day at this cost, so it seems to be okay. Okay, and I can publish now my campaign. Okay, so that's it. Our campaign is now published, and when user searches for our keywords, we can here have all the data about what will be happening. For example, the clicks, impressions, the click-through rates, average cost per click, cost conversions, how many conversions, cost per conversions, and so on. So we have just seen Google Ads search network campaigns. Now, in the next video, we will discover new online advertising platforms and ad formats.